Hello, this is Andrew Thake from Minds and Money TV, and today my guest is Don Smith, Managing Director of Tempest Minerals. Great to go meet you, Don.
Good, Andrew. How are you?
Yeah, you're good. So for our viewers who haven't heard of Tempest Minerals before, can you tell us a little bit about your mining company?
Sure thing. We listed in 2017 as a lithium explorer, and we rebranded recently to reflect our more diversified strategy. And that strategy is gold and base metal exploration in the Murchison province of Western Australia. And we've got some great projects there, which are around world-class mines, specifically the big prize, which is the Golden Grove volcanogenic massive sulfide (VMS), which is a copper, zinc, gold, silver mine.
Okay, so just get specifically, there's a lot of other sort of companies out there doing similar stuff to what Tempest Minerals are doing. What would you say sort of sets you out apart from your peers?
Sure. Well, I like to think it's because compared to a lot of our peers, we have the whole package. So a lot of companies have a good project or they have good people. We've got both. We've got fantastic projects. We've got a dominant land holding in a region which is known to have world-class mines, and some of our exploration projects they're really compelling, and we're in there progressing them rapidly. In terms of our team, we've got a great team of professionals. We've got super technical people to PhDs, everything, but we're also commercially focused, which is a key point. And on top of that, I like to think that, well, I know that compared to a lot of our peers, we're also a new breed of company coming through now, in that we're doing things a little bit differently, and we've got a big focus on technology and how that can add value.
Okay, can you just talk to us a little bit about that technology piece, because that does seem real to me. That kind of seems like, to me, when I look at your website, that seems to be a real unique selling point compared to a lot of other mining companies.
Yeah, look, it's pretty simple. We use a lot of technology. We have a paperless office here. We've got a whole bunch of apps that we use in the field. So a lot of people are still using pen and paper, and we've automated all our technology. It goes straight into a central database, and we can review it in real time if necessary and make decisions based upon the data that we're getting.
Mm-hmm. Any recent news that you'd like to highlight to investors? that
sure. I guess the first is that we've rebranded to Tempest in the last 6 months or so, and with that story, we've got a number of things that have happened, including 2 drill programs. One of them was late last year, where we drilled at the Warrior West project, where we proved up a geological theory that we had, that this is an intrusive related gold system, and we found widespread gold throughout the surface, and also one of the high-grade pods that we were looking for. More recently, we had another drilling program at the Messenger project, and we found some fantastic geology. They're exactly what we predicted we would get, and we're just waiting on the assays from the laboratory right now.
Okay, so looking ahead to the rest of 2021, what opportunities do you see, and like, how is Tempest uniquely positioned to take advantage of them?
Well, that's a good question. I was just talking to my colleague late last week about that, and he was pointing out that we're in a really rare situation now with this very large bull run on commodities, and I couldn't agree more. And so obviously every company has to be out there trying to leverage that, and that's what we're doing, of course. And so we've got these fantastic projects I mentioned in the Yalgoo project, in the Yalgoo region, and we'll be out there doing at least 2 drill programs in the next few quarters, as well as, we're always looking for opportunities and ways to add value to the company. And I encourage everyone to stay tuned for some of those.
Okay, and any sort of like risks and challenges that you see? And again, how is Tempest Minerals sort of will be sort of positioned to overcome those potential risks and challenges?
Challenges. Well, there's plenty of those. Obviously, the COVID thing is one. Fortunately, we don't have a particular challenge in Western Australia at the moment with that, relative to other jurisdictions. Second challenge I can think of is volatility. I see there's a lot of that in the market. Despite it being a clear bull market, there's definitely ups and downs happening on a day-by-day basis. There's nothing we can do about that, but that is a challenge. maybe Australia specific, but we have a bit of a people shortage at the moment, and we are addressing that quite well. We already have addressed that. So about 3 years ago, we saw that this was coming, and we've paired up with other like-minded groups in the industry, including Gold Mining Solutions. And that means that we have a pool of highly talented people that we can access to do our work.
Okay, excellent. Well, look, that was an excellent interview, Don. That was Don Smith, Managing Director of Tempest Minerals, with Andrew Thake from Mines and Money TV. Thank you.